So YouTubers, here we are again. So today, exciting day, because I have the motor on the back of the car. Finally, I'll just focus out a bit, there you go. We'll see if we can get out of the sun a bit, it's a bit dark. So there she is, there's the motor sitting on the back of the car. So, it's pretty awesome. And today, I'm checking for oil pressure. So, what I have, let's see if you can see it down in here. There we go, just right down in there. Right down in there is where the oil pressure sensor is, and I've got that running out to an oil pressure gauge just here. And also, there's my external filter. The external filter sits there, and it comes from the oil pump. It goes back into the gallery. So when it happens, and when it goes on, the oil filter is going to sit there on the back. So that's where it's going to sit. So I'll just show you the way that I've done this up. Got the battery there, the cable going up to a switch here, and that switch then goes to the starter motor. Got a 12 volt starter in, and we're going to try it out. Give it over to my trusty cameraman, who's going to focus on the gauge. Just get it all set up. There we go. There's the gauge. And here we go, YouTubers. Look at that, YouTubers. I have oil pressure. Yay! And the best thing is, it's not leaking anywhere. How cool is that? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.